All right, good morning, everybody. Now, here is our 2 cups of flour from yesterday after letting it grow, our 1.5 cups of water, our 1/4 of a cup of sugar, our 1/4 of a teaspoon of yeast. Now we have 1.5 cups of milk, 2 eggs, oil, 1/4 of a cup of oil. We have our 6 cups of flour, half a cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of yeast, our 1/4 of a cup of powdered milk, our 3 teaspoons of salt already in there as well. And now we mix. We're going to combine our wets together. After we combine this, and we're going to combine into here. I'll be back in a moment. And we're back, everybody. Once again, I want you to see this is the combination of the eggs and oil, 1/4 cup, 2 eggs, and our 1.5 cups of milk, our flour, powdered milk, sugar, salt, and yeast all combined. Our earlier mixture that's bloomed. Now we're going to combine these two together and then add into this. See you soon. And we're back. Once again, we have our combination put together. You see how it's all folded in? That's where I call it a sponge. There we go. Milk, eggs. We have our 2 cups and 1.5 cups of water, our 1/4 of a cup of sugar, our 1/4 cup of 1/4 of a teaspoon of yeast, our 1/4 cup of oil. It's all combined. You see, it's all nice and spongy and even liquid here. And then we have our flour, 6 cups, as I mentioned earlier. You may go a little bit extra, a little bit less. No, nothing less I would recommend on the 6 cups. Maybe like a 6 1/4 if need be to keep it tight. But at this point now, we should be just fine. What we're going to do next is combine. We're going to pour it in together. It doesn't take much. It's literally, I'm going to pour it in. And then at that point, we're going to see the results. I'm explaining to you the next steps. These are very important, but also very necessary. You see, I'm just incorporating just a little bit here and a little bit there. And now this is a very, very important part. First, I'm going to, of course, get the remnants out of here. But the most important part of all of this right here is time. I'll be back. And you see, I'm barely touching it now. This spoon's pretty much going to sit in the same spot. I'll be back in about 10 minutes. And you see the difference. See you soon.